Hello everybody, it's Malik from Rematic Enterprise and welcome to your 9th Java tutorial. Now in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how we can get users input from the keyboard into our system. Specifically, we'll be talking about an inbuilt class in Java which is called the scanner class. Now it's really simple to use. All you need to do is just import the class, create an object of the class, and also use it anywhere in your program. So before I go further in this video, I just want to say a big sorry to you guys. I'm supposed to have uploaded video the last few months, but I've been really busy and I promise to make it up. Now, for all you guys interested in learning MySQL and more about database management system, you can check my other videos and also, learn from it. Feel free to ask me any questions, comment in the comment section, send me an email if you want to, and I will just reply you within the shortest period of time. So let's go. Let's dive right in. So what we're talking about, using an inbuilt class in Java, which is called a scanner. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open your IntelliJ IDEA. Then I'm gonna create a new class here, and I'll call it my new scanner class. So I just created a new class, which is my new scanner. Now, the first thing I need to do is to come up here and I will import it. Just follow along with me. Import java.util.scanner. Now, in here, just within my class, my new scanner, I'll create an object. Or before I create an object, I'll just create a class for the main class. The first thing I need to do is to create a main class, which is PSVM, public static void main. Don't forget about that. Then in here, I'll create an object of the scanner class. Now, what an object is just an instance of a class. For example, let me say everybody watching this video has parents, mom and dad, and you're like maybe the child. Now, there are some traits you can pick from your parents. That's someone is going to say, hey, this child look exactly like the mom, or look exactly like the dad. Now, for someone to say that means you have that trait of your parents. You're just like an object of your parent class, which is what the scanner class. So that's, I feel, the simplest way to explain this. So the first thing you need to do is to create an object of this class, an instance of the scanner class. So the first thing I need to do is just come in here and type scanner. And in here I'll type scanner again. Or I could use any variable. Let me say new scanner. New scanner. And I'll set it equals to new scanner. And in here, system.in. And I'll end with semicolon. If you just did this, congratulations, you just created an object of this class, scanner. Now what I just did is that I created an object of this class and I gave it a name, my new scanner. An object, remember, is an object of this class. It simply works like, creating a data type and, a variable where the data type could be an int, could be a string. Then the variable name could be any name you want to, name that variable. That's how this works. Just think of it like this is your data type, and this is your variable. Then you set it to equals to system scanner system.in. This statement here means you're trying to get something from the keyboard into the PC. So next off, I'll just prompt my user to know. So in order for my user to know what it's doing, I'll say Sal. And in here, alright, please enter your name. Enter your name. Then right down here, I'm going to write Sal. And in here, I'll just put new scanner dot next line. So what this does is that this prompts the user to enter his name, and once the user enters his name, he stores that value inside here and prints it out. You don't believe me? Let's try it. I'll run it. So run this my new scanner. So you say enter your name, and I enter my name. You can enter any text. My name is Wisdom Malik, and I'll hit enter. And comes down here. My name is Wisdom Malik. Oh, I made a mistake here. So let's rerun this again and try other things. Please enter your name. Enter my name is Doris. So he said My name is Doris. Now, what this does is that the first thing I did over here was that I created my class, which is what my new scanner. Then just before my class, I used the import java.util.scanner, to import the scanner class. It's already an input class, so I just need to import it. The next stuff is that I created what? A new method or main method. Then just within my main method, I created an object of the scanner class, which is scanner, new scanner equals to new scanner system.in. So I just created an object of this class. I could change this. I could name this to be anything I want to name it. I could name it to even be wisdom. And in here, I'll just change it to wisdom. Sorry. You could just give your variable. This is like a variable name, and this is just like a data type. Just changing it and just setting this keyword, creating an object of this scanner class. That's what I just did. So in here, I just prompted my user to enter his name, and down here, after the user enters his name, he reads it and then prints it out. That's just how it works. Or if I don't want to do it this way, I could just simply take this out, and in here, I'll just create a variable. I'll call it string. Sorry about that. I'll call it string. And that variable is going to be, let's say, my name equals to wisdom dot, the object name, dot next line. And in here, I'll type Sal. Your name is, plus my name. In it. This is another way of using, the scanner. So I run this, and it should, still give me the same thing. And in here it said, please enter your name. I'll enter wisdom leak. And I'll hit enter. It said your name is wisdom leak. Let me rerun it. Try it again. It said enter your name. I'll enter Jenny Malik. I'll hit enter. And it said your name is Jenny Malik. You could also have some other things like Sal from the user again. Sal, please enter your age, or please enter your birth year. Your birth year. Then in here, I'll set my birth year into the word birth year equals wisdom dot next int. The reason why I'm using next int is because I'm going to enter an integer value in here, and that value, once entered, is going to be stored inside this birth year. Then here I'm going to I'm going to do some arithmetic here. I'm going to also create int present here. Equals 20 int age equals present here minus birth year. And the semicolon, then in here we're going to Sal. Sorry about that. Sal. You are plus age old. So this is just a short program that tells anybody his age, provided the person knows, the birth year, provided the person knows the year the person was born. So it's just a short program. You just enter your name. Then after entering your name, the system prints out your name, and you have to enter your birth year. Then the system tells you your age, since you provided the birth year. You don't believe me? Let's run this. So let's run this. So it said, please enter your name. I'm going to enter John Maxwell. It's a good friend of mine. He said, your name is John Maxwell. Please enter your birth year. Oh, he was born in what? 1945. So I entered 1945. They said, you're 75 years, old. Oh, I'm sorry. I should put years over here. run it again and see. To know the system. So please enter your name. I'm going to enter a name. I'm going to enter Emmanuel or Imar. Briggs. So your name is Imar Briggs. Please enter your birth year, 1985. Just guessing. They said you're 35 years old. So this is how you can use a scanner. It's an inbuilt class in Java, and this is also ways on how you can deploy it. So this is all for this video. Just don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also feel free to comment in the comment section and click on the bell icon to get new notification each time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.